Hello viewers, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'll show how to do SEO on YouTube videos. Okay, let's move on. What is SEO? SEO means search engine optimization. Purpose of SEO: improving your YouTube channel ranking in search engine result. Here is how to do YouTube SEO. First, first of all, choose an attractive channel name and logo. You need to do keyword research on your channel, the keyword that are usually used to search your channel. In this case, you can choose the suggest keyword on YouTube. Keyword must be used in tag. Video must be relevant and can attract customers. Must upload videos regularly and understand customer need. What are our next step? Use eye-catching thumbnail. Secondly, upload a custom thumbnail image for your video's result link. Optimize your video description. Use video hashtag. Tag your video with popular keyword that related to your topics. And finally, insert your keyword naturally in this video title. Choose your keyword wisely. Categorize your video. Use an SRT file to add subtitle and closed caption. Add card and end screen to increase your video channel viewership. This is description. You can see here I use some tag for searching. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.